Hi guys. So we already unboxed. But Zoe said, Mama, go vlog, go vlog. I go unbox your package. So here she is. Sit down here. Sit lang yung shirt. Oh yeah. Yan.
I'm just only making my clothes
I
on.
just woke up kasi masakit yung chan sa Dutch.
Okay, I do
What
this.
is tummy in Dutch? Dutch.
Oh no. What is that?
Tummy, this
Oh,
one.
bark,
No,
yeah.
it's spine. Mama have spine in the back here.
I go do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I go do it 5.
Okay.
Okay, first I want to do this.
We already unboxed this one because I don't wanna vlog it, but Zoe say, Mama go vlog and I go unbox it. Now we go show them.
What is paper? What is this? Chocolate or this?
Tingnan mo dito. Ang liit ng product. Then the
What
back
is
is so big.
What is that?
They only put this one.
What is this? A lipstick?
Yeah, it's like 24 hours. 24 hours.
I go do this.
This shade
Yeah,
is
like
like
how to do the other one.
ano lang.
How we can do this? Wait, I know how to open it. Right?
Nude lang siya. So we
Oh
put
wait,
this
I'm
one.
trying to open it myself. I don't know where I need to open.
You break it.
Yeah, I'm trying to break it. Oh, I broke it. It's like I'm broken.
Hairspray when I travel, so it's only small. I have the big one kasi, so I need the small one.
I'm trying
And
to
this
open.
one is setting spray. Don't know. Hindi.
Whoa, I opened it so fast. Whoa. Now this paper
Let
again.
me help.
Paper.
Ta-da! Oh.
No, I do that.
Oh, they have 3 in the bags.
Look, this eyelash. Can I see? Can I see? Can I see?
Oh, they have it. It's only it's
What's this?
yeah, but all my makeup is like Max Factor.
Look what I have on my hand.
Yeah, like Max Factor.
No, like this, Mama.
But
And
this one they don't have it, so I buy. I don't
Mama,
know.
Mama.
Catrice.
Mama, and this is like this right here.
Let me read. Matte liquid. No, eyeliner.
What is that? Lipstick?
It's eyeliner.
What is that? Lipstick?
No, eyeliner.
Here?
Here, eyeliner.
Oh, I
It's
got
the
the have
Max
for
Factor
here for your
eyeliner.
cheeks. This is for your cheeks. Cheeks.
No, it's foundation.
Yeah, I'm saying that, Mommy.
It's foundation, warm almond. Foundation, warm almond.
What is this?
So I like it. This is a miracle
Oh, I know how to
foundation, and I
open.
like them in
Oh,
my
yeah,
face.
okay.
Lalo na kapag sunny siya,
How to
glow
open?
siya.
I'm trying to try. Oh, I know where I can open. Here. Oh wait, now I can work it so good. What? Mama, wait! I show you. Take what I have on my hand.
That one is pencil lip.
Yeah, pencil lip. I know that, Mama. One more. What is that?
This one is the shade,
What is
and
that?
also Max Factor. I love Max Factor, guys.
Another one.
It's a color
Mama, there's another one.
lip liner.
And look.
This is the red one shade. It look like now red, but I don't know. But it's red. Oh, this one red.
Take what I have.
And there is the nude.
Take what I have. It's like a drink bottle.
Because I don't have this. I don't have this anymore. So I did buy it. So this one is Skin Reset and also Max Factor.
Trying to open first.
It's already 2-in-1 foundation and a serum.
I'm trying to open. What is this?
Yeah, it's also Miracle.
Guys, what the hell?
Oh yeah. It's also Max Factor. It's a waterproof
Yeah, there's no.
false lashes.
There's nothing inside here.
There's nothing there anymore.
I don't know because I feel.
Yeah, guys.
nothing.
Ever since I'm Max Factor,
Wait, I know how to open it.
I use Max Factor na. That's it.
Trying to
Philippines pa.
open it.
But some of the store in the Philippines is closed kasi daw parang nalugi sila. I don't know why. I don't know, but yun yung parang sabi nila. Kasi before nahirapan ako bumili ng makeup in the Philippines.
Well, I can wait.
Oh, it's good that in the Europe they have this now because year 2017 nag-shop ako sa store sa
Wait, I
Italy
see
and they
something.
said they don't have this miracle foundation.
I cannot get.
Open it all first before you get the product.
And I get it, okay?
Yeah, wait.
The
You're hurting yourself.
No.
Oh my gosh. It's so big and then yan lang yung laman. Kaloka.
There's no more.
Kaloka, uy.
There's only one. Oh, sorry. That is only one.
That's
Only
weird.
this. You need a bigger one, not a small one like one.
What this? Oh, it's a primer. So.
Mommy.
Actually, this is not yet, but I think they coming maybe tomorrow. I don't know.
What is that? For your face?
It's a primer.
Can you put it on my hand? Can you put it on your face?
No, it's a liquid. See, it's a primer.
What? Where you need to put it then?
This is the first that you need to put in your face before you do the makeup.
Can I do the
Toner
makeup?
and then laser.
I want to do this. Please.
No, we go sleep now. Next time.
Ooh.
I'm going to check on my phone kasi hindi lang to yung in order ko. It's a lot of things.
Oh, I know.
Another shade of lipstick and another one
Mama,
of this
I cannot
shade.
close it.
So we cannot. This is for adult. When you are big, I go buy for you.
Mommy.
And ano pa ba? So yeah,
This
go
for my
check.
long cock. I go way.
maybe next
So
day they
big
coming.
and
So thank you
all that.
guys for
And
watching.
Yeah, do I know.
Doy.
This is my
Yeah.
long cock. Like for sleeping. You go up.
Can you close the video?
Yeah. Where? And
Yeah,
square.
that one. Pangit tuloy. Hey, pretty girl.